How can landlords evict professional tenants exploiting loopholes? Imagine renting out a property and thinking the process will be straightforward, only to find a tenant who seems to bend every rule. Some tenants know how to use legal gaps to stay longer or avoid paying rent. This can be frustrating for landlords trying to protect their investments. Today, we will explore how landlords can handle these tricky situations and avoid common legal mistakes. First, one big mistake landlords make is accepting partial rent payments. Professional tenants often pay just enough to keep landlords from starting eviction procedures. Accepting any part of the rent can reset the eviction clock, making it harder to remove the tenant. To avoid this, landlords should require full rent payments on time and refuse partial payments, keeping their legal options open. Next, keeping detailed records is essential. Landlords should document all rent payments, emails, maintenance requests, and repairs. Sometimes tenants claim issues that never happen to delay eviction. Having written proof, like photos of repairs and invoices, helps prove your case if legal action becomes necessary. Following the proper eviction process is also critical. Landlords must serve the correct notices according to state laws and wait the legally required time before filing in court. Skipping steps or trying to force eviction without court approval, like changing locks or shutting off utilities, is illegal and can lead to fines or lawsuits. Always stick to the legal steps to protect your rights. Screenings are another key step. Carefully checking potential tenants' eviction history, references, and credit reports can help spot tenants who might try to exploit loopholes. Be cautious if someone offers cash payments or tries to avoid paperwork, as these are red flags. When rent is late, acting quickly is important. Waiting too long gives professional tenants more time to build arrears or find ways to stay. Start the eviction process promptly after missed payments, rather than giving repeated chances or accepting excuses. Getting legal advice from an attorney experienced in landlord-tenant law can make a big difference. They can guide you through complex rules and help avoid mistakes. Sometimes, negotiating a cash for keys deal, paying tenants to leave voluntarily, can save time and money instead of lengthy court battles. Finally, having a clear lease agreement helps prevent confusion. The lease should specify rent amounts, due dates, maintenance responsibilities, and penalties for violations. Enforcing these rules consistently makes it harder for tenants to exploit loopholes. By avoiding common errors like accepting partial rent, trying to evict without following the law, or neglecting documentation, landlords can better protect themselves. Following a careful, legal process ensures they can remove tenants who are exploiting loopholes and keep their property safe.